Hello everyone, welcome back to Help for God eLearning. My name is Prashanja. And now today we are going to see that how we are able to send the dynamic data, right? How we are able to send the dynamic data. So I'll show you in this particular example, very simple to send the dynamic data on index.html file. Like for example, I'm looking to send my name. So I can send my name, like I'm just gonna make the name as a key and Prashant Jha as a value. And you know that key value pair, you have a knowledge about the dictionary. In dictionary, key is always unique and the value could be a duplicate. So right now we have this key value pair. So what happening exactly here, we are returning the response on the index.html page. So along with this response, we are also sending this dynamic data because right now we are not working with the database. Now we cannot say that we are going to retrieve the data from the database, from the table, and then later on we are going to show the data on the page. No, so right now we are able to show the dynamic data still. How? We are sending this dynamic data by using the key value pair. Okay, so this is my key and this is my value. Now let me change something on index.html page. Change in the sense I'm gonna add something. So for example, I'm just gonna write H3, not H3, H4 is good. Uh, I will just name like full name. Okay, full name. And here, after that, whatever the data we have to retrieve, the data is coming, as you can see here, the data is coming by this dictionary. So as you know that guys, in dictionary, how we access the data? In dictionary, how we retrieve the value? With the help of key, right? Am I wrong? No. By using the key, you are able to retrieve the data from the dictionary. So here the key is name. So by using the name, we are able to retrieve the value, which is Prashant Jha. So here, by using the Jinja pattern, what I'm saying exactly, guys, Jinja pattern. Okay. In the comment, I'm just going to write Jinja pattern. You can search about it. What is this Jinja pattern? Okay. This is basically a Django formatting. So inside a double curly bracket, whatever I'm going to write, whatever I'm going to write means what I'm going to write here. So as you know that if I have to access this value, so I can access this value by using this key. So I'm just going to write the key name and my key name is name. Okay. So by using this key, that means here you can see this, by using this key, we are able to access this value. So here I have just write down the key. That's it. My server is still on. So let's go to the browser. Control Shift R. Okay, Control Shift R. I'm just gonna type Control Shift R. This is what to refresh. I have refreshed, but I did not receive the name, full name here. I did not receive the Prashant Jha. What's happening? Let me check. Okay, I've just write down the name, but I did not receive this value. So let me check here. This is your name, okay, in dictionary, in a string. Fine. And this is my value. So it's okay. And here I think I have not saved the file. So I will just save the file, but it is already auto save. Then what's the problem? I am not getting my name. Okay. So if I'm just gonna use without this, but yeah, this is not sufficient. So name is perfect. Okay. So I'm just sending this dictionary here and we have to retrieve the data here by using that dictionary name. So name. Okay. I'm just getting the name, which is not good. Yeah. So we received the Prashant Jha, guys, as you can see here. I just did the some modification. I think the file was not saved perfectly. That's why I did not receive the output in the first time. So right now it is clear. Okay, I have received. But what happening exactly? I'm getting in the new line. So I will just cut from here and I will paste here because I just want in front of full name. I want to show my name. Again, now I received the Prashant Jha as my name. And as you can see here, guys, there is some problem which occurred due to, I think I have not saved the file perfectly. So that's why it was not reflecting on my browser. And you can see the live problem here. That's why I always mention that keep save your file. Okay, keep save your file. So right now, if you check here, guys, so I'm passing only one value. What about if I have to send the multiple values? Multiple means my name, my roll number, my email id, my mobile number, my address, my job profession, whatever the things are there, I have to send everything on my browser. Can you imagine that? Is it good to write everything inside a dictionary here? Because its length is gonna increase, and that's not good as per the readability point of view. As you can see here, if I'm gonna include here more than, like, if I'm gonna add a 10 key and value pair, so its length automatically gonna increase, and it's not good for the readability purpose, right? As per the read only purpose, it is not good. So what will be the solution, guys? I have the solution. I have the solution. What will be the solution? So tell me in the solution in the comment box. Okay, otherwise definitely in the next lecture I'll show you the solution. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you have understood well about this. Okay, thank you.